Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2016 Chevy Malibu LS, stock number Z9242XX. Only 10,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report. Butte Red Metallic in color. To be GM certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Malibu is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5, cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Backup camera. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. Pull up the tab on either side. Allows the 60-40 split seat back to fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. This LS has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, light adjuster for the driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Smart. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 10,000 miles. With drive information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It's Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatible. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. And lots of storage space in the armrest. Along with a large glove box with all materials inside. Under the hood, this Malibu has a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 160 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a mid-size sedan. EPA average of 27 miles to the gallon and a city average of 37 on the highway. And don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.